Hi, welcome to the new psychology. At this lecture, we will discuss all about how to use red to catch attention. This is the main title of this lecture. Most mammals can only see two colors. Humans can see three. We have evolved to see reds along with the blues and greens. Dictionary can see because only when we started to lose our hair once our ancestors could see the bare skin beneath, they could see the red blood pumping through it. We would become red when excited or angry, and this association has stuck. Because of this evolutionary change, we find the color red the most interesting and shocking and exciting color of all. Facebook ads that use red in a shocking way are few and far between. This is an ad for when hair care products, as shown here with this post, uses red to capture your attention. The red really stands out and catches your eye. It uses it subtly through along with the green to emphasize the naturalness of the product. Other colors can work as well. Color increases readers' attention spans and recall by 82%. The opposite of red's excitement and aggression is blues, calm and friendliness. This is why everything in Facebook is blue. It wants to be a calm and friendly place to be. That's all for the color, how to use the color, how to use the red color in your promotion or in your advertising in Facebook. See you in next lecture. Goodbye.